I'll never be like the girls you had before me, 'cause you got a good thing going. He said, hey there, bonita.
What's up, everybody? All like 3 of you that still tune in to my videos. Anyway, hi mom. So here I am, I'm back. I'm gonna start vlogging again, or trying to, at least. I know, because I just feel like I haven't done anything like vlog worthy since, like, you know, August, and since like moving here. But yeah, so I'm just gonna take you guys on a little quick tour of my room. It has taken this long just solely because it has taken a while for me to get everything exactly the way I like it and the way that I want to, and it's finally pretty much in the place where I feel entirely content with the way that I have designed and like bought all the decor and all the stuff that I want. But yeah, so let's get into it. Alright, so that's like the rest of the house. This door leads directly to my room. Here goes the puppers. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Yeah. Leo has gotten big. No, I'm pretty sure this is as big as he's gonna get, even though he's not big compared to like the average husky. But yeah. So I mean, my room used to be the garage in the house, so it's not like gigantic, you know.
Here's a quick little clip of footage from the night that I got here in Cali. Like, I had literally just driven the 24 hours and I just dragged most of my crap in, and this is what it looked like before.
I don't even know what I'm doing. How do I even tour? It's a room. But yeah, so this is like my desk area, creative space, and let's be honest, I really just do my makeup on this table. But yeah, clearly that's like the vast majority of everything. And then yeah, my little record player and all of that. Yeah, this is like my favorite thing. I just got an aloe vera plant. The selection wasn't the best, but I still love it. And then I like planted it with some other cute little things. And then I put like black sand in it. Oh my gosh, it's literally my favorite. But yeah, this is Vera 2.0, because my original aloe vera plant got left with my mom in Kansas. But yeah, so this is my little entertainment center. I finally got a TV. I'm so excited and happy. I love it. But yeah. And of course, my extensive VHS collection. You already know, I got all the great classics like the OG Star Wars, Titanic, Anne of Green Gables. Y'all don't even know about that. Gone with the Wind. All them classics, like the whole Disney shelf. Yeah, y'all know them classics. And look at my mommy, little baby, and then all their. But yeah, and then my favorite part is my trundle bed that I got. So it's a trundle bed. It's obviously a bed, but I got it because it's like styled. It looks similar to a couch, and like I love it because then like, first of all, it's a trundle, so like if I ever have any friends over, or if I get friends in general, then I could just pull the trundle out, and then we don't have to share a twin size bed. They can have their own bed. But yeah, and so then I pretty much styled it. I have like quite a few pillows, but like honestly I still want more. But yeah, so pretty much come over, I have friends over, and we just sit on this, and it feels like a couch. And yeah, yeah. And then I got my wardrobe. It's not really messy for the most part, but yeah, this is literally, this is it. Like, I mean, it's a really big room, and it's really a blessing. But it's not too much to like show when you're like doing a little tour of it, but it's literally my happy place. I love it. Yeah, that's pretty much. Yeah, anything else? Yeah. Okay, calm Okay, stop. What the heck? Okay, but yeah, that's pretty much my room. It's awesome. I love it. It's a great space, to be honest. I'm very happy. I love it. What do you want, papas? So that's it. Oh, you got something to say? You got something to say? Yeah? Oh, dang. I don't know. My glasses, if you look at a certain light, or if it's like a certain... do you want to go outside? Because you're getting on my nerves. Go outside. It's like perfect too, because like the way it's set up, like, you know, the gate's right there, and then I just let him go outside, and it's all fenced in. And he just does whatever he wants. Yeah, papas. But yeah. But yeah, so update on life. I'm in school and everything. I work at like the cutest coffee shop ever. I'm obsessed. I love it. Yeah, honestly, I don't really know. That's really my update on life. I don't know. If you really want to know anything specific, comment and ask me. Otherwise, that's my life. I've been making my room exactly the way I want it, trying to make money, my little job, and yeah, living the life, living the Cali dream. But yeah, so that's pretty much it, I guess. Quick, super duper insanely quick video, just showing my room and giving a little update. If you're watching this and you made it this far, clearly you know you were true, you were a real one. So comment like videos I should do, stuff I should do, things I should see, all that type of good stuff. I might do like a little trip to LA vlog or something like that soon. IDK. But yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm done.